Hi guys, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share a complete beginner guide to the freshers. Okay, if you are a fresher, you don't have any idea about Azure. I hope this video helps you well. Let's get started. Okay, so if you just wanted to learn Azure, is there any prerequisites need? Literally not. See, you can be in any domain. For example, you can be a system admin, or you can be a developer, or you can be in IoT, or it can be in any other machine learning, or any sector or fresher. You can grab the concept easily. Okay, that's the beauty about Azure. And also, to work with Azure, we need to know some stuff. Okay, first thing is we need to know about cloud computing. Okay, so I'll give you the simple explanation about cloud computing. Generally, cloud computing means nothing. Virtual data center. Okay, virtual data center is there. We're gonna access those resources virtually. Virtually means via internet we're gonna access. What are all the resources? Storages, server, database, this all. Okay. So to access this, we're gonna pay it accordingly based on the resource which we took from the virtual data center. We're gonna pay it accordingly, and also which improves that efficiency and then the flexibility. Flexibility means whatever the resource which we need, we're gonna create it over there. If we don't want, we gonna delete. We can delete it. Okay, based on the utilization, we're gonna pay it. Okay, that's the beauty in the cloud computing. See, in the today's market, many peoples are providing the cloud services. For example, Oracle providing the cloud services, Salesforce providing the cloud services, IBM providing the cloud services, GCP providing the cloud services, Azure, AWS, like many vendors providing the cloud services. And also, why people's supposed to use Azure? Because in most of the company wants to avoid the latencies, and also they just wanted to explore their applications to various locations. Azure only had 60 plus regions in the worldwide. Okay, fine. So if you just wanted to know about the basics in Azure means, first you should know some things like virtual machine, database, and few AI tools. Okay, you can start your career with these tools. Okay, virtual machine means nothing. Virtual server. Okay, so we are creating the server virtually, and then we are just accessing via portal. And then database. Okay, database, it's literally a platform as a service. This also given by Azure, and based on the consumption, we're gonna pay. And then other AI tools. Um, you can use it. But if you are a beginner, don't go with the AI tools. This that would confuse you. Try to pick an easy services like virtual machine, database, cloud storage. Like try to pick the easy services, and then you can shine your career with any other AI tools or machine learning tools. Okay, which is really recommended. Okay, after that, I just wanted to start my career in Azure. How I can start? See, first thing is you should have the free trial. Okay, so you should have the free trial account. Then only you can start your career here. How we can create the free trial account? Free trial account creation is very simple. Okay, so only the thing is you should give your credit card information, credit card or debit card information, and then some verifications they would done. You need to provide your email ID and then your phone number, and then you can simply create it. Okay. And if possible, I'll try to make one video for this free trial account creation. And then here the main thing is, while the free trial account creation, don't repeat the same details again. For example, don't repeat the same address details, don't repeat the phone number, and don't repeat the bank details. If you're gonna repeat like that, Azure would block you. Azure won't allow you. And also in your system, if you had any vulnerabilities, that vulnerabilities literally blocks the Azure free trial account creation. Okay, so before the account creation, clean your system and remove the bugs or something which in your virtual machine, which in your local machine means delete everything. Then you can proceed your account creation. Once you have created the Azure account, if you are located in India, they would give you 15 to 16,000 of credits to you per month. Okay, free trial only available on 30 days. If you come out from the 30 days, you have to pay respective, uh, pay respective for the respective resources. Okay. Uh, Many subscription models are there. Pay as you go is there, and student subscription is there. If you are studying in the college, you can use that student subscription. There they are giving more credits, and you can use some interesting services as free. Okay. But in the free trial subscription, they just limited everything. So you can use only few things over there. A lot of restrictions they given, but they would give 15 to 16,000 of credits, but you can't utilize the complete 15 to 16,000 in the single month. It's literally hard to consume everything because that much restrictions they given. And also the main thing is they are just allowing you to practice their products. Okay. So that you can't provide any services to your customer using the free trial account. Okay. And next. Okay, so let's explore some few services in the Azure function. First one is Azure Functions. Azure Functions is literally a serverless application. Um, for example, you just wanted to do any automation. You just know only Python. So the thing is, you just need to maintain one platform or server. In that server, you need to configure the runtime and then only you can execute your code. But in this Azure function, they are allowing you to execute your script directly. Okay, here itself, we can select the runtime. If it can be PowerShell or Python or any other programming language, we can choose it over there. And then we can execute our script in the Azure function itself. Okay. And also the beauty is Azure functions literally allows in the pay-as-you-go model. So there we don't want to pay any amount for the infrastructure which they are managing in the backend. That's the main beauty in this Azure functions. After that, blob storage. Blob storage basically binary large object. Okay, so this storage would literally allows you to store unstructured informations. Okay, unstructured information means unstructured data. For example, video, images, and text file, Word document. This all you can take. Okay, so this all we can upload it into this blob storage. 5 GB they are giving as free. If you come out from that, you need to pay accordingly. And also, next one is Azure SQL storage. Previously, in earlier 2010, Azure only given the compute services and then the storage services. There won't be any concept called SQL or something. So in that particular time, their customers, what they did is they created the virtual server. Inside the server, they have configured the DB engines and then the DB packages, and then they did the firewall. After that, only they can use the database. This was the earlier case in the 2010. Later, Azure figured out that, and now they are providing that SQL server as the service. Literally, this Azure SQL, which literally comes under the platform as a service. Okay, platform as a service means they are managing the libraries and also the infrastructure. Okay. So yeah. So these all you can practice in the free trial account itself. Okay. So by using this, you don't want to go any high level subscription, virtual machine, virtual network. Like many free trial services they given, you can utilize it. Okay. And then in the Azure SQL, Azure SQL injections are there. And then to prevent from the SQL injections and firewall protections, many interesting things are there. Those are you have to learn. Okay. If you are going to start your career in Azure, this was the baseline. After that, obviously many learning sources are there in Microsoft itself. Some tutorial videos they given about the respective services. For example, if you're gonna take VM, what is VM and what and all we can do over there, basic VM creation, this all they give it as a video. You can just go to the Microsoft official document. Microsoft official document, there itself you can find the video and you can watch it, and there itself you can raise a question. They are providing the community support as well. You can do it. If it's not comfortable, so they are not giving the proper explanation to me. They are giving the explanation but literally in the high level, so I just wanted to do more deep dive in that. So means you can reach out to any institution. Here also we are providing the same Azure courses and AWS courses. I'll give the number in the description. If you want, you can reach out. Okay. And then in the common uses, for example, if you are using the cloud, I'll give you some use cases to get an idea. So in the web hosting areas, web hosting means um, client application hosting, and then data analytics. Data analytics means huge amount of data is there, to get the probability, and then to process the data. Here data analytics services are there, and then the machine learning models, algorithms, okay, random forest, and like many algorithm models are there. You can use it here. Okay. And then I won't suggest to go with the data analytics and machine learning in the free trial. I'm not sure about these two services would comes under the free trial or not. But you can do the web hosting. Web hosting, for example, to do a web hosting in Azure itself, many services are there. For example, Azure VM is there, Azure Container Registry is there, and then Azure AKS is there, and then Azure Web App is there, Azure Web Static App is there. You can pick which one you need. Okay. So this is the thing, guys. If you have understand the basic concepts, you can be survive in this Azure. Okay. And then in this video, what and all we have discussed, what is cloud computing, and then about the Azure free trial creation and the basic services in Azure, and then the learning resource. This all in this video we have discussed. Okay. So yeah, I hope this video helps you well and start your journey today itself. And thank you guys. See you in the next part. And then one more important thing, I'll give the Azure Learning Group community in the YouTube video description. Just hit the link. You will be in the part of a group. After that, you can get whatever the updates which we are posting related to Azure, you can get it. Okay, in the Saturdays and days, sorry, not Sundays. In the Saturdays, we are conducting real-time sessions to the students. So if you just wanted to join to get a more idea about Azure, you can participate it. Okay, so that's completely free only, and enjoy it. And thank you guys. That's it for this video. I'll come up with an interesting topic in the next part. Thank you, everyone.